Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the new Analog Discovery Studio Max. The Analog Discovery Studio Max, also known as ADS Max, is a complete portable electronics lab designed for engineering education. Whether you're in the classroom, in your laboratory, or learning remotely, it gives students hands-on experience with real circuits and real measurements. Now, the Analog Discovery Studio Max, or ADS Max, comes with the main unit, which you see here with me. It includes the breadboard canvas Max, this modular surface that you can use for prototyping. It also includes the power supply, a USB cable, and you need to select the appropriate power cord for your region. If you want your DMM probes or your scope probes, those are also available as a separate accessory kit. Now, the canvas includes more than just breadboard space. The Canvas Max has the typical tools and interfaces that you would need for your engineering education, and to get started really fast. You have switches, LEDs, buttons, audio inputs and outputs, as well as other connectors like BNCs and PMODs that can help you get up and running as soon as you get to the lab. Now, the ADS Max has 14 built-in instruments. It has oscilloscope, function generators, variable power supplies, DMM, and much more. And you can have access to all of this through the WaveForms software. The Digilent WaveForms software comes free with the Digilent Analog Discovery line, and it has all the power needed to interface with the different instruments and get the most out of your time in the lab. It also includes APIs for the most popular languages and LabVIEW. I'm going to show you really quick how this looks like. I have connected my oscilloscope to the function generator so that I can show you a quick loop-back test. Of course, this becomes way more complex as you start prototyping and using the breadboard more and more. So what I have in my screen is the WaveForms application. In the bottom, I am generating a sine wave at 5 kHz through the first channel of my function generator. And in the top, I have my oscilloscope view reading back that same sine wave that is coming through channel 1 of the scope. Now I can change the frequency of my waveform, and you can see how the oscilloscope is reacting to that. There's many tools built in the WaveForm software, and it feels natural as the typical benchtop instruments do. So the students will get all the same concepts and ideas that they would have with the same instrumentation that they have in a typical engineering lab. Now, the Analog Discovery Max is a powerful, compact, and flexible solution. It enables hands-on electronics learning, and is built for the classroom, the laboratory, and beyond. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in class.